When we were having problems with our other meters, I'd looked around, talked to 3 or 4 different companies that we really liked the Neptune and the accuracy it had, how easy it was to read with the radio read. That's something that we weren't experiencing with our other meters. It was a little tight down there because they build our vaults as they go, but I did the bolts, popped it in, took the other one out, dropped the new one in and bolted it back up and turned the water back on. So it's a pretty simple experience from what we had. On the other ones, you usually have to change the whole bodies out. With this, we just undid 8 bolts, turned the water off, undid 8 bolts, pulled the UME out, and dropped the other one in and turned the water back on. So pretty slick process. Instead of an hour, I think we did it in like 11 minutes. So really easy, and I like how you can just change the head out and not have to change the whole body and everything else. We've noticed it's a lot more accurate. When we started doing the meeting readings for every month, we noticed that the usage was a lot higher. So we were losing a lot of revenue that way. So this one's more accurate, which means more revenue for the city. I've got a lot of compounds in town. So this Mach 10, where it reads the low flow and the high flow, I can go ahead and just put the Mach 10 in instead of the big compounds, which the contractors are going to like. They're a lot lighter, and looks like a lot easier to work on. So from going forward, this is what I'll probably install instead of the big meters, just the Mach 10s. We haven't had any issues with it since we put it in, so I would definitely recommend this meter to anybody or any municipality that's looking for a different kind of a meter to run.
The Neptune meter went in flawlessly and in an extremely timely fashion. We installed the Neptune meter at 3 o'clock in the morning is to not disrupt the business park. I would say it took an hour and a half and it was done complete, water back on. So it went great. After installing the Neptune meter, we have seen a gain on our water consumption in the small business park, anywhere to 600 to 800 gallons a week, that we can have a direct comparison since there are small meters in those individual buildings. So we feel confident it's captured all the low flow in there, plus any minor leaks they may have. If someone asked me about using a Neptune Mach 10 meter, I would tell them don't hesitate. Neptune's customer service is second to none, and their meters are performing beyond my expectations. The Village of Orchard Park chose Neptune meters because they are the county standard, but having installed them and now using them, I wouldn't want to go to anything else. I think the little benefits to their meter, the way they install, the way they perform is fantastic. Our customer service, I can't say enough about, and our residents like the little features, like the little faucet for a leak indicator, because they can look themselves if they're questioning something going on with their water system to help themselves resolve problems.